Successful development of genome editing for crop and livestock improvement will benefit from science-informed, value-additive regulation that promotes both innovation and transparency.
Genome editing, as it's most frequently practiced, uses reagents that specifically recognize and precisely cleave DNA targets within the genomes in living cells. An example of this is our double-stranded DNA sequence. I'm bad at drawing because I'm a cow. Our CRISPR-Cas9 system cleaves those precisely in the points where we want, and then replaces it with the DNA sequence that we select. An example of this is how this has a large positive impact on plant agriculture and animal agriculture due to efficiency, because it causes relatively few or no mutations at unintended sites within the genome. This is our kale plant. We can take a baby kale plant, one that's smaller, and grow it to become a larger kale plant with genome editing.
This is the gene sequence that occurs when myostatin is correctly expressed. This is the gene sequence that occurs when myostatin is suppressed in beef cattle, and it causes double muscling.
All right, here we have the normal sequence for myostatin in beef cattle. And when we have a myostatin mutation, it's at this G base here that turns it into an A base, which obviously causes the corresponding C base to be turned to a T. And that's when we get a suppression of myostatin, which causes double muscling in cattle like Piedmontese and Belgian Blues, But using CRISPR and Cas9 technologies, we're able to go in here and cut these two strands back apart and change the A back into a G, and to give us the corresponding C again as well, to get rid of the suppression of myostatin.
So this is what it looks like in a normal beef animal when myostatin is present but not suppressed. This, on the other hand, is what we would call myostatin suppression. It is a genetic mutation that causes double muscling in beef animals and any other cattle breeds. Two main breeds that this occurs in is the Belgian Blues and the Piedmontese.
The most acting I've ever done.
Get her! Get the cow! Get cows are out! Oh, we got another runaway! Oh, that one's too fat! Time for slaughter. Also a fat little piece. Oh! Now graze, graze. Graze. They're not grazing. Show them that booty. Why was she not impressed? These cows, they don't seem to want to go out in the street. I don't know why, but they just don't seem to be worried about that.
Happy trails to you until we meet again. Happy trails.